So we are off on another adventure. Well guys, it is Friday, August the 14th, and we are heading south. And look, we've got the camper with us. That's right, we're going camping this weekend. We're going to a campground that's not very far from the house, and I guess it's about 25 miles or so from, well, maybe 30 miles from our storage lot. We're gonna be in Maryland this weekend, and the place is called, what's it called, Michelle?
Rambling Pines.
Rambling Pines. Yep. So we'll talk to you guys once we get there and get all set up. We'll certainly try to do a campground walkthrough. This weekend it's supposed to be kind of stormy. I don't know if I'm gonna have time because of rain. We'll see. Definitely try to do it for you guys, and that'll be in another vlog. We're in our site here. The sites are quite large, very long. There's a good bit of distance from the road to the truck there, and then the truck to the camper. But this situation here isn't great. So we got our power here. I think that's cable TV, or no, cable TV's there. But look at the water situation, and it was actually worse because everything was covered in mud. It looks like everything drains down here and then just goes down. There's some water in there because I used the water to clean off the nozzle a little bit before we hook our hose up. So we'll definitely be wiping this down with hand sanitizer for sure before we put our hose on there. And there's of course the sewer hookup. And in the distance, yes, that's lawnmowers. Lots of lawnmowers. Or something to that effect. All right, for Friday evening dinner, we're cooking nothing. Oh no, it is starting to rain. I'm actually cleaning the grill off because we're gonna put some chicken on it. Michelle's gonna make some chicken quesadillas. Walk around the campground real quick, or the campsite. This is what the back looks like. It's a pretty nice view out the back. Looks like there's a squirrel feeder there. Here's the infamous water situation. Not ideal. And let me show you how much room we have up front here. Pretty nice, huh? It's quite a bit of room. The road's a little bit narrow coming in here. That's the front of the site. Not bad. We have some friends coming over this evening, and they're staying, I think, in that site right there. By the way, whenever we get a spot, there's always trees on the corner. At least there wasn't one on this side. It has since been cut down. Or should I say, it has since been cut down. Thank goodness. That, I don't know if that's poison ivy or not. 3 leaves, but that one's not 3 leaves. I'm not sure. That might, I don't know. That's sassafras right there. All right, I have to go to the grocery store because we don't have any groceries. Get back to you guys in a little bit. Hello, what you doing? She's making tea. We're fancy tonight. Look at the blue lights underneath the seats. Woohoo! Ah, air feels so good. Blue light reflecting off the wood over there. Here's the scenery out the back window. Very nice. Very quiet here so far. We're about as far away from the front of the campground as you can get, where everything is. But that's all right. There's a view out the side window that almost got busted out in Myrtle Beach. Okay, we're back in the truck. Michelle is What was that?
Someone said hell this.
Okay, take two. We are leaving the campground, our campsite, going out this way to go get some groceries. Come along with you, won't you? Come along with us, won't you? The heat is getting to me. So this is how we're going to have to leave Sunday. It's a bit tight. As you can see, there's lots of woods, but I have not seen a single pine tree yet. This is Rambling Pines. Where are the pine trees?
Yeah.
Solitude, Michelle. Looking down the road to see if I see any campers coming up, because this loop turns into a single lane here, so you can only get in and out via this lane, which is kind of scary because there's a sharp turn here and then you go down a steep hill. And if there's two campers heading in opposing directions, yeah, well, whatever, they would run into each other. It'd be hard for each of them to back out. I think these are all seasonal sites up here. Speed limit is 5 miles an hour, by the way. All right, here's the gate. Do not back up. Severe tire damage will occur. Did you hear that, Michelle? Now that we've left this campground, you can never back your truck up or you will have severe tire damage. That wasn't nice. Well, Speed Racer's driving now. We're heading to a Food Lion. Oof. It is raining very hard. We are on I-70 westbound, getting off at exit 73. This place is about 5 miles from the campground. There's a whole bunch of stuff here. Can we get diesel here? Camping, Rambling Pines. Huh. We were just there. Did we go in a circle? I bet you this place is hopping this time of day. It is almost 5 o'clock. Jessica, look. They have a Dunkin' Donuts here. Oh, our friend that was camping with us in Gatlinburg, she loves caramel lattes from Dunkin' Donuts. Yes. Well, we got our groceries.
Please proceed to the highlighted road.
Proceed to the highlighted road, woman. Drive. All right, guys, here's what we have. Throw them on the grill. That's hot. A chance to vlog the chicken before she cut it all up. It's good though. Yum. And we got some Spanish rice going on the stove top here. Mmm. Just finished eating and there might be a storm coming. It is getting very windy and chilly. Alright guys, it is nighttime and it is raining outside. Of course you can't see that because it's dark out. But we're having some trouble again with our refrigerator. It is not getting cold now, although it is dropping now finally. We got a bunch of stuff out of here. But I'm going to move this thermistor up a little bit further. See if that'll help. But it's been sitting for 2 days, and it was, when we got to the camper today, it was only at 47 degrees. So we'll see how it does now that it's cooled off and it is not sunny out. But this thing's got to get down into the 30s before we can put some of the more important food, like the meats and everything that might spoil. Anyway, just wanted to notify you guys of that. Right now I'm going back outside with our friends. We're sitting under the awning in the rain next to the campfire, and yes, I am here. See, I am here. And it is 68 degrees in the camper right now. Oh yeah. We're out of water. Need to get some more water. I don't think I have any more left. Well, good morning everyone from Ramblin' Pines Campground in Woodbine, Maryland. This is Jack. Oh, that's mean. Jack. Hey, look. Look, Jack. Look. Hey, Mike and Heidi, look, there's a Terry camper. This is dinner. We've got 2 chuck roasts in here, and they were supposed to be slow cooked, but it wasn't enough time, so we just pressure cooked them. But look at that. Oh, fall off the bone, even though there's no bone. Michelle is going to shred this up and she's going to make a beef barbecue out of this. And then we're going to have some macaroni and cheese. Yummy. Oh, look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Alright, we've just added a whole bunch of ingredients to this, and it's going back in the slow cooker for about 2 to 3 hours. I think it's going to be pretty good. If anybody's interested in the recipe, we can put it in the comments below. But you gotta ask us. Making waffles this morning. It is Sunday morning, and we are going to have some breakfast, hang out for a little bit, and then I think we're going to head home. I'm shooting this on my RX100 because I seem to have lost my phone last night before the live stream. Can't find it. I'm using the gimbal and trying to stir this with my bad left hand. Yes. That is good to go. The first waffle is out. Second one's in. Oh boy, Michelle's cooking sausage here. Alright guys, it is Sunday morning. Oh, that's right, I think I already told you guys that we had breakfast. Anyway, we're leaving the campground now. We're all packed up, ready to go. And so yeah, Michelle's gonna watch me so I don't hit any trees. So let's hit the road. Thanks for sticking with us to the end of the video. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and check out our other videos.